When determining the correct wire size for a 100 amp 240 volt single-phase subpanel located 300 feet from the main panel, several factors must be considered. These include voltage drop and ampacity derating. Firstly, let's look at the voltage drop calculation. The formula to calculate voltage drop is voltage drop equals 2 times distance times load current divided by conductor resistance times conductor area. For copper conductors with THHN insulation, we can use a conductor resistance table. For example, number 2 AWG wire has a conductor area of 13.3 kcmil and a resistance of 1.52 ohms per 1000 feet. Number 4 AWG wire has a conductor area of 4.1 kcmil and a resistance of 2.46 ohms per 1000 feet. Number 6 AWG wire has a conductor area of 2.6 kcmil and a resistance of 3.96 ohms per 1000 feet. Number 8 AWG wire has a conductor area of 1.6 kcmil and a resistance of 6.28 ohms per 1000 feet. Number 10 AWG wire has a conductor area of 1 kcmil and a resistance of 10 ohms per 1000 feet. Number 12 AWG wire has a conductor area of 0.6 kcmil and a resistance of 16 ohms per 1000 feet. Number 14 AWG wire has a conductor area of 0.3 kcmil and a resistance of 25.3 ohms per 1000 feet. Now let's calculate the voltage drop for different wire sizes over a distance of 300 feet with a load current of 100 amps. For number 2 THHN copper wire, the voltage drop is calculated as follows. Voltage drop equals 2 times 300 times 100 divided by 1.52 times 13.3, which equals approximately 2.9 volts. For number 4 THHN copper wire, the voltage drop is calculated as follows. Voltage drop equals 2 times 300 times 100 divided by 2.46 times 4.1, which equals approximately 7.3 volts. For number 6 THHN copper wire, the voltage drop is calculated as follows. Voltage drop equals 2 times 300 times 100 divided by 3.96 times 2.6, which equals approximately 7.8 volts. Based on these calculations, number 2 THHN copper wire is recommended to maintain a voltage drop of less than 3%. Secondly, let's address conductor ampacity derating. If you are running 3 number 2 THHN conductors and 1 number 6 THHN conductor in a 2-inch schedule ATPVC conduit over a distance of 300 feet, the ampacity of the conductors must be derated. According to the National Electrical Code, specifically Table 310.16, the ampacity derating factor for 3 number 2 THHN conductors in a conduit is 0.7. The ampacity derating factor for a single number 6 THHN conductor in a 2-inch conduit is 1.0. To calculate the derated ampacity, multiply the conductor's ampacity by the derating factor. For the 3 number 2 THHN conductors, the derated ampacity is calculated as follows. Derated ampacity equals 90 amps times 0.7, which equals 63 amps. For the single number 6 THHN conductor, the derated ampacity is calculated as follows. Derated ampacity equals 65 amps times 1.0, which equals 65 amps. In conclusion, the derated ampacity of the number 2 THHN conductors is 63 amps, while the ampacity of the number 6 THHN conductor remains at 65 amps. Keep in mind that the National Electrical Code, NEC, specifies the requirements for electrical installations. It's important to consult the latest edition of the NEC and local electrical codes for specific requirements in your area. Using these calculations ensures that the wiring is safe and efficient for the intended electrical load.